Hey everyone! Today we're diving into Toyota's latest offering in the compact SUV space, the 2025 Corolla Cross. If you've been wondering whether Toyota's formula of taking the reliable Corolla and giving it the SUV treatment actually works, stick around because we're going to break down everything you need to know. Let me cut straight to the chase. The Corolla Cross isn't trying to be the life of the party. Instead, it's that dependable friend who always shows up on time and never causes drama. Starting at $25,385, it slots perfectly into that sweet spot for buyers wanting Toyota reliability in a higher riding package. Under the hood, you'll find a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine pushing out 169 horsepower. Now, I'll be honest with you, this isn't going to win any drag races. Testing showed a 0 to 60 time of 9.2 seconds with the all-wheel drive version. Yes, you heard that right. It's not exactly quick. But here's the thing. Most buyers in this segment aren't looking for tire-smoking performance. What they are looking for is good fuel economy, and the Corolla Cross delivers. You're looking at 31 mpg city and 33 mpg highway for the front-wheel drive model. We managed to squeeze out 30 mpg during our highway testing with the all-wheel drive version, which is pretty respectable for this class. Let's talk interior space, because that's probably why you're considering this over a regular Corolla. The Cross gives you significantly more cargo room. We're talking an extra 12 cubic feet compared to the Corolla hatchback. The cabin itself feels familiar if you've been in any recent Toyota, with an 8-inch infotainment screen taking center stage. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto? Yeah, they're standard, so no worries there. Now for 2025, Toyota hasn't exactly reinvented the wheel here. The only notable change is a new polymetal gray paint option. But what you do get is Toyota's comprehensive safety suite as standard. We're talking adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection. That's impressive at this price point. The ride quality? It's actually one of the Corolla Cross's strong points. While some competitors try to be sporty and end up feeling harsh, Toyota has nailed the comfort balance here. It soaks up bumps like a much more expensive vehicle, and road noise is well controlled. Sure, push it hard into corners and it's not going to feel like a hot hatch, but that's not why you're buying this, right? If you're cross-shopping, you'll want to look at the Honda HR-V, Mazda CX-30, and Hyundai Kona. The Mazda definitely brings more driving excitement, and the Hyundai offers more style. But the Corolla Cross counters with Toyota's legendary reliability reputation and strong resale values. Here's what I think you'll love. The commanding driving position, the excellent visibility, and the fact that everything is just so easy to use. No complicated menus, no fancy gimmicks, just straightforward functional design. The XLE trim, starting at $29,600, adds some nice touches like heated seats, dual-zone climate control, and blind spot monitoring. But let's talk about what might bug you. That engine gets pretty vocal when you're trying to merge onto the highway, and the CVT transmission, while efficient, isn't exactly thrilling. The base L trim's interior materials also feel a bit basic, though that improves as you move up the trim levels. Quick pro tip: if you're seriously considering the Corolla Cross, take a look at the hybrid version too. It's significantly quicker and more fuel efficient, though it does come with a price premium. So, who is this car for? If you're someone who values reliability over flash, practicality over performance, and safety over style, the Corolla Cross makes a lot of sense. It's the kind of vehicle that won't excite you on your morning commute, but it also won't let you down when you need it most. That's my take on the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest car reviews. Drop a comment below if you've had any experience with the Corolla Cross. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.